Can I start?
Wait. Okay.
Oh God. One, two.
Into myself. What a wonderful.
Good morning. We're going to Zambia. I'm so hyped. So yeah, it's about to be a long trip. It's gonna be like a whole day long. Oh, the car is starting. Say good morning, sis.
Hey, good morning.
So it's gonna be a long trip because we're going by bus, but it's about to be lit.
Oh, yes.
So stay tuned to watch how the trip went. And yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
So it's 4 a.m. in the morning and we're 2 hours early for the border, but we're in the border town, Katima. So yeah, we just have to wait by this filling station for 2 hours. Good morning!
Good morning.
Our 2-hour wait has finally passed, so we're now here looking for a cab to go to the border.
Yes.
Zambia, here we come!
Motherland!
Yay! Good morning! It's a new day in Zambia. I'm just gonna check out some friends. I just linked up with Ms. We're gonna go have something to eat. It's about to be lit. Look at him, there he is. It's a video.
It's a video.
Yeah, say what's up.
Oh, what's up? What's good? What's happening? AKA busy.
Relax.
Feeling all cheap.
Yeah. Bars. Oh, off to get some food.
Because I'm busy.
Off to some busy. Chili, real chili. Excitement is real, you guys. This place gets so packed with people like coming from their lunch breaks. It's the place to be. So we've got all of this okra, eggplant, beans, there's everything. And Shima is about to go down. How are you enjoying?
Smell.
Look at your face. Look at all this food. Hey.
Friend.
Serious business.
Only in Zambia.
Only in Zambia.
I won't leave.
You won't leave. we are full, we are happy. Make sure you come and try out the Matebeto pazets. How are you feeling, Miss?
This is what I call fulfillment.
Please.
Fulfilled.
Exactly. It's a unique experience. When you come, you smell the meat like brine. It's nice and smoky. Like, you have to try Matebeto pazet. How you doing?
I'm doing great, Sissy.
What are we up to?
About to get lit by keg.
Yeah, we're at keg right now with Mr. Nirongo.
Yeah.
Hey.
In lusaka, baby. So yeah.
Yeah.
How are y'all?
It's a chill spot.
Can I start?
Wait. Okay.
Oh God.
1, 2. Ona malapa botsa batepa. Lapo ndiganga monga di pepa. Ona malapa botsa na tepa, malapa spanga fike kwa malapa so batepa. Ona malapa botsa ni bwana. Ona malapa botsa bajana. Ona futi kasola ipuchitika imwe na kamera bana ngudi babuswana. Ona block back ni monomi. Lapo ndiganga monga ni koni. Aba malapa botsa ni phone, malapa aiko monga tapete ni phone. Lapo ndiganga monga ni loni. Nibo pika monga ni kuku ya loni. Aba fly malapa botsa ni koni, malapa spanga fike ni basha monga koni. Ona futi sabai imwe na shoti ya black muchitiga. Ona futi ya white. Mwamenya mwana magogo screw. Monga ni Zambia bagwina moloko. Lapo ni loko. Ona futi vali shoko. Malapa bana mashoko. Ona maropa mukemu ni loko. Lapo ni yanga ni mati. Aba malapa ni lati. Ona malapa bafunta. Those nigga pin coming mati.
Vela, mugeti watu muli yati mumati Simungangene muli mapoti kati Muli nomo kaneza muli hati Vana seveni vani ikiana tiati Yali penda kumutu Sipeta wafisi ya wando kuma vichivu
Buzz.
Zambia bagwina ba moloko. Watetema rapa banasira na mashoko. Abasibo kwa naona ni wa mokomoko.
Yeah!
Hey,